Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly customize Music Haptics Intensity on your iPhone and iPad. Music Haptics on iOS adds a new dimension to your listening experience by translating the rhythm, beats, and vibrations of supported songs into tactile feedback. Whether you're using it for accessibility or simply enjoying a more immersive way to experience music, adjusting the haptic intensity lets you personalize how strong or subtle the vibrations feel. If the default setting feels too intense or too big, iOS makes it pretty easy to fine tune the whole experience to match your comfort level. That's it, let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to choose the accessibility option. Then you have to head over to the hearing section and choose Music Haptics to proceed. After that, you have to navigate to the intensity section and choose from the three available options. Light. Select light if you prefer gentle and subtle haptic feedback while listening to music. It's worth pointing out that this setting produces softer vibrations that complement the song without being too noticeable, making it ideal for extended listening sessions or users who are sensitive to stronger haptics. Medium. It offers a pretty balanced level of haptic feedback, providing clear vibration that match the music without feeling overpowering. It is the default choice for many users and works well across most music genres, delivering an immersive yet comfortable experience. Strong. Select strong if you want the most pronounced haptic experience. This setting generates powerful vibrations that closely follow the rhythm and beats of supported songs, making it easier to feel the music. It is especially useful for users who prefer more noticeable tactile feedback or want most impressive music haptics experience. And that's pretty much it. Customizing the music haptics intensity is a quick but effective way to make your iPhone's music experience more comfortable and enjoyable. So whether you prefer gentle vibrations for relaxed listening or stronger feedback to feel every bit, the right intensity can make a noticeable difference. If you ever want a different experience, you can always return to the settings and adjust the intensity at any time at your own pace. Make sure to keep your device fully updated to the latest version of iOS to enjoy the newest music haptic improvements and features. Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to spice up your music time. And I'll catch you up in the next one.